Falling for an old school Nova is easy. The difficult part is finding a unique, well-built car that'll keep you happy for years to come. Luckily, we have a real knack for finding standout builds. And this incredible street-legal stock car, wrapping 406 cubic inches of brutal Chevy small block in top-notch customization and retro red and white pigment, is about as standout as it gets. This Chevy is the product of a detailed 3-year build that was performed by a veteran stock car racer. And make no mistake, even though this beast is titled as a 1978 Chevrolet two-door sedan, it is every bit a street-legal race car. Naturally, a build this intense required hours of precise metalwork, which predictably was layered in the distinct combination of red, white, black, and gold the builder ran on all of his race cars. And it all adds up to one world-class, eye-catching classic that's virtually guaranteed to drop jaws. Pop the shaved doors and you'll find an all-business interior that's good for driving or showing, and wrapped by a full cage. Pro Car racing seats feature 5-point harnesses. A single-stage dash arranges reliable autometer gauges around a modern head unit, vintage air climate control, and switches for power windows. An insulated floor floats clean carpet around a predictable Hurst shifter, and the driver commands the apexes through a quick-release steering wheel. Pull the pins to find 406 cubic inches of exclusive Chevrolet small block. Fed by a Holley 4-barrel, it leads a smooth hydraulic clutch that kicks a Tremec 5-speed and spins a 9-inch rear with a Detroit locker and 370 gears. Owning a lights-out classic is cool. Owning a tastefully customized lights-out classic that's so wicked it could easily be a legitimate race car is the stuff most gearheads dream about. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.